I am no longer as tired as I was. I felt like my skin just wasn't radiating the way that I was really wanting it to. Even while eating good foods, all the above, I just felt like my gut health was really struggling and just imbalanced. And it definitely brought my motivation down. It definitely brought my depression a little bit more um, to the forefront of my everyday life. My stressors a little bit as well made me want to crave sugar a lot more. It also made me want to overeat at times and just not be connected to my food. Um, yeah, and also just overall dryness, like my hair health, my scalp health, my yeah, even like my skin, I just felt was dry. And yeah, I feel like all of that is alleviated and I'm able to like live, yeah, a lot more of a stress-free life and a lot more of a vibrant life for sure.
There's some other symptoms here that I remember you were saying you're okay with us sharing. You had improvements with weakness and dizziness,
Of course.
feeling spacier, unreal, chronic low back pain, some hair loss or coarse hair, a lot of anxiety, heartburn, feeling nervous or agitated, joint
Mhm.
pain, dark circles under eyes, ringing in the ears like tinnitus,
Mhm.
and anemia.